Welcome, today in front of me Google Pixel 6a, and I'll show you how to switch off this device. So to do that, we should press and hold power key button on the right side of our phone for a few seconds. Then just tap here to get it. Now we have just selected here the quick launch of Google Assistant. If you want to turn on this feature and use the power off menu by press and hold the power key button, we should open the settings and then scroll all the way down to the system. Then click here to the gestures and click here to press and hold power button. Just tap here once on the switcher to turn off this option, and just to turn off, just to activate the power off menu, we should hold for a while our power off button. Now we can restart the device off, we can turn it off. Just click here the power off icon to turn it off, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.